What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you the tools that you need when you really want to get started on Amazon. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Very first thing that you're going to need when you want to start your Amazon account, in my personal opinion, is $50. Again, the fee is like $39.99 a month. So once you have that $50, that'll cover that first month's fee, and you don't want to really be stressing about $50, especially when you're trying to get that first sale in your account. Now, once you have that, you're going to need a cell phone, obviously, so that way you can scan items as you're out or deal with the Amazon Sellers app. So you're going to need a phone, you're going to need a bank account, you're going to need a social security card, obvious things like that you're going to need when you're dealing with Amazon. So you're going to have a bank account, you're going to be able to provide all the information. So once you have your bank account ready, once you have the money ready, then you have your account set up. The very next step is going to have downloading that app. So once you download the Amazon Sellers app using your phone, that's pretty much really all you need to get started on Amazon, is paying that fee and then actually being able to start scanning items. Because once you start scanning items, you'll be able to start making money then. So after you scan your first item, you're going to wonder how you're going to ship that item in. So you're going to need at least a printer. You're going to need a printer and some labels. So whatever item that you find, you scanned it. Now you have to ship this item to Amazon in order for them to send it to a customer to make you some money. So 9 times out of 10, when you find an item like this, you're going to need a Scotty pillar, because when you buy them item, they're going to have like labels on them. So you're going to need a Scotty pillar. I used to use this razor thing, but you're going to be peeling labels off. So far you're going to need your cell phone, you're going to need a printer, you're going to need some Scotty pillars / other cutters. I'm always dropping stuff. And you're going to need your labels. The 2 different kind of labels that you're going to need are the address labels, and that's if you have a Brother printer mainly. You can go get a thermal printer. Again, I personally use a Brother printer. You can go do some research on a thermal printer. A lot of people say it's better. That's all part of the order. But again, getting off track. After you have your Scotty pillar, you're peeling your labels, you're going to need tape, obviously, to ship your products, box up your items. And speaking of boxing up your items, what are you going to box up your items in if you don't have? I know you can't see, but I have a bunch of boxes. Yes. You're going to need a bunch of boxes to ship all of your products in to Amazon. So once you do all that, you're going to need to be able to weigh all that stuff. Because Amazon, they have a thing where you can only send like 50 pounds at a time in a box. And I believe the box dimensions are 25 is the most that you can send in, unless the product itself is 25 inches more. So if it's more than 25 inches, you can probably only send that one product to Amazon. But anything else, you can send everything in one box as long as it's no more than 50 pounds and in a box more than 25 inches. So in order to do all that, you're going to need you a scale. I now have personally have a digital scale. But I'm not even gonna lie to you, I was using a bathroom scale in the beginning. I was adding like 2 or 3 pounds to whatever the bathroom scale said, and I was pretty much always accurate. That's what I was using in the beginning, because again, in the beginning you really don't need nothing but your phone, some boxes to ship the stuff to Amazon, some tape to be able to tape up the boxes, and some label peelers to pull off the labels. But in the beginning, I'm telling you, I was really peeling them off by hand. You do what you gotta do in the beginning. But these are just some of the products I use. Once you get more advanced, you're going to start needing some Goo Gone, so that way you can just wipe off, once you peel in the labels, you can just wipe off the stickers, so that way when you're sending in products, when people get it, they won't be messing with the stickers and it be sticky and stuff like that. So you can go get you some Goo Gone or whatever kind of product that you personally want to use. They don't pay me no money, so I really don't care. I have me a handheld scanner. I rarely use it, to be honest, because I'm so used to using my phone. I scan all my products with my phone, and then I put it in the system, and then I get my laptop out, and then I really send everything from my inventory all at once that way. I'll show y'all how to do that one day very soon. Or you can get you a scanner like this for those who just really mainly want to scan books. You can get you a little e-yo-yo scanner. That's what I personally have now myself. I just recently got this one a few weeks ago off a suggestion. One of the best things in the world. You can literally just go scan things just one at a time. But you can get one of those. Trying to see if there's anything I forgot that you really mainly need. I do have a cheat sheet, so I'm going to take a gander at it real quick. boxes, Scotty pillars, tapes, laptops, your scales. Obviously, you're going to need an active bank account with Social Security numbers, and obviously to sign up. You're going to need your Goo Gone wipes, your labels. Oh, you're going to need some poly bags and some bubble wrap if you're going to send and use products. Like right here, I have a scanner that I'm going to have to bubble wrap and send in whenever I work in fast food, whenever a customer decides to buy what product from me, and labels and the e-oil scanner. So with the labels, you can get the address labels for free. If you sign up on USPS.com, they will give you these labels for free. These, I'm not sure, but yeah, these you can definitely get for free. E-Yo-Yo's telling me my time is up. No, but guys, again, seriously, as you can see, I do have a lot of inventory. This inventory that you see right here is strictly for eBay. Everything else goes to Amazon. That's why I love Amazon. The benefits of having Amazon, you don't really need storage space. So that is another benefit of Amazon. Another tool that you're going to need, again, is common sense. I cover that in my other video that says tools before the tools that you need before you really start your Amazon account, because this is some hard work, guys. It really, not hard work, it's just consistent work. You know, consistent work pays off in the long run too, though. So just look at it that way. As you can see, I have a room that's full of stuff, you know what I'm saying? A lot of the stuff sits for a while. Some of it goes as soon as I get it. That's just part of the business. Sending stuff to Amazon is much easier. They can deal with the headache of the storage, and products get gone on a regular basis. There's profits to be made in this. I don't want to really get into that again. You can catch any other one of my other videos as I ramble on, but this is pretty much to cover the tools that you need when you really want to start your Amazon account. Obviously, you're going to need an email address, link all that up. And once you have that, guys, Amazon's real particular about what you link up when you first sign up. So when you sign up with a particular address, and make sure all that stuff is in line. And as far as like if you move on a regular basis or anything like that, make sure you want to use that one particular address, because if you switch bank accounts or if you move, Amazon may put a hold on your account just because they might think it's some kind of funny business or something like that, just for a brief period. Some people don't get their account back, some people do. Majority of them do, but I'm just saying, just be careful when dealing with that, trying to get over on Amazon using fake people's names and things like that. That's why I wanted to put that in there, disclaimer. But again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was a quick video, and hopefully you got exactly what you needed. If you have any questions, again, just hit me up on my email. I'm going to drop that link in the description. And for those who personally know me, who's always asking me questions when you see me, if you have any more questions, just hit me up when you see me. Again, thank you for watching my video, and get ready, guys. I got some videos coming up where I'm going to teach you some other things besides Amazon FBA, and besides eBay, and besides Poshmark. There's other ways to make money. I keep saying it on my channel, but I really never show you. But I'm going to show y'all one of those videos coming up very, very soon. And again, thank you for watching my channel, and y'all take it easy, and I will talk to you soon.